In my inaugural address on the 21st of March 2025, when I assumed the office as the fifth President of the Republic of Namibia, I emphasized that the SWAPO Party Election Manifesto, the party political program, and the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia shall be my guiding instrument throughout my presidency. And this document relies also on recognizing others. I really have to recognize our former Deputy Prime Minister, Komweni Mutoro. You might further recall that during my first cabinet address on the 21st of March 2025, I made it categorically clear that the oath of office that I took on Inauguration Day mandated me to speak and take decisions on behalf of Namibian people and to lead the Namibian development agenda. Therefore, I am here today to launch the 6th National Development Plan, NDP6, and to account to the nation on the steps taken as well as notable achievements attained during the first 3 months of the 8th administration. Our inclusive development agenda seeks to uplift the social well-being and improve the quality of life for all Namibians. One of the key objectives of the concluded NDP5 was to escape the middle income trap. International bodies, in particular, the Bretton Woods institutions, had classified Namibia as an upper middle income country based on the income per capita. This classification was floated in principle as it overlooked the swing distribution of resources and undermined the Namibian government's ability to access developmental grant funding and affordable financing. In most recent reclassification of Namibia, therefore, to a lower middle income country on the 1st of July 2025 is deemed more responsive to the reality of the structural imbalance of our economy and large inequality gap. Based on this revised classification, Namibia will be more eligible to access grant funding and financing instruments on more affordable terms. This is beneficial to our developmental agenda and ambition to foster inclusive growth and shared prosperity. But this does not mean that there are no challenges to the reclassification. Therefore, we must commit ourselves to hard work and grow our economy to take our people out of poverty. With only 4.5 years remaining for Vision 2030, this NDP6 is the final installment aiming to achieve our objectives of transforming Namibia into a developed and industrialized nation. The formulation of NDP6 has been informed by Vision 2030 and its mid-term review, the NDP5 Terminal Report, SWAPO Party Manifesto Implementation Plan, regional consultation, as well as guiding international development framework, including the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, African Union Agenda 2063, and the SADC Vision 2050, among others. Inclusiveness and the resilience for quality sustainable development, the NDP 6 is designed to promote sustainable economic growth and address the underlying challenges of poverty, unemployment, and inequality. The NDP 6 has been structured into 4 pillars, 9 thematic areas, and 47 focus areas. The 4 pillars are: A, economic growth, transformation, and resilience; B, human development and community resilience; C, environmental sustainability; and D, good governance and effective public service delivery. Fellow Namibians, our developmental agenda is shaped by the National Planning Commission, which finalized the NDP 6 through an inclusive and consultative process and approved by Cabinet on the 25th June 2025.